do we have here? At autolife.se event. We have the Pista 488 Pista with a gorgeous light looking silver wheels. And what I haven't noticed on the Pista is it's actually it looks so hardcore, the front. You can see it through. Ser så här extrem ut.
Ja, vi ser former.
Snart klar.
Tänkte komma in hit och fronta autoshield.
Exakt. Ja, just det. Ja. Autoshield, very, very good.
The best paint protection film in Sweden.
Exactly. So this have paint protection?
It's fully protected. The
Oh,
whole
really?
car. You haven't seen it, even though you filmed all the car.
Oh, so it's yellow. The original car is yellow, and you have red paint protection.
No. The paint protection film is always
Transparent.
clear.
Always. Okay.
We don't do wrapping here, only paint protection.
Exactly. And clear wrapping over the clear carbon parts.
Yeah, that's correct.
I mean, must be a lot of work with these.
It's a lot of fiddly pieces. I usually tell the customers that it's like a 1,000-piece puzzle without having a picture of it.
And it's for free as well.
If
you pay.
If your name is perhaps Zlatan or
Okay, yeah.
Then it's free.
Yeah. So what was the most difficult part? This is really... And is it dark blue? I have a plug inside. Can I see what? Maybe it's open. No, locked. It's locked. Carbon parts everywhere. Here as well. This in carbon. Gorgeous. And you have a Huracan with silver wheels here.